going to be trying my favorite weapons in Big Paintball. So, yes, VIP gun. Just want to buy it if I don't like it. Exactly. 2 plus 2 is 22. 4 plus 4 is 44. I am big brain, you can't tell me. Okay. Oof. Tempered scar. This video is not going to be that long, by the way, because I tried making this video, and for some reason my camera, it stopped recording for some reason. So that sucked. Like, really bad. I can just destroy the sentry. And I'm actually playing on mobile right now, which I've played on for 4 years. Yeah. Oh, that sentry would have been gone. But oh you! Where are these people? Are you actually them? Hold on. Whoa, Nico Jr. Where, Nico Jr.? Yeah, that's what I thought. You like that? Yeah, that's good. Let's go. This is the best strategy in the world. Especially if you have like tons of sentries. Come here, you see me? Yeah, come over here. Hey, just take over the thingy again. Never mind. Oh, okay, that's when it's not fun. You know, that's just okay. Now, stink gun, I know. I bought it only a little ago, and I'm so good with it. Okay, you can't blame me. I can just saw it. Please. Only one round of this. Oh no, I don't want to do this. Ah. Kill me. I'm standing still. Okay. Let's see, what other guns look like? Tempered Scar, same Scar. Ooh, Rebels P90. This is the last one. Well, that's not the last. One more after this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Chicken sandwich. Yeah. See, now they're gonna find me. Yeah, let's go. I spent like $500,000 on this game. Well, not real money, but like, you know, credits for buying. Hold on. How much for 500,000? I'm gonna do the math. would be... I don't know. That's just the best part. And this gun. It's basically the same as the VIP gun. It's just his fire rate isn't as fast. Last gun I got it in the video. No, I haven't been uploaded. Okay. Say I like the gun and then I die and it becomes a pie. Don't worry about it. You know what, just for this video, let's see. I'm gonna buy a new gun. What is this? The Zoom gun. What is that noise? About to get it. Gold Eagles, I guess. And that's gonna be all for this video. See you guys in the next one.